In today's video, I'm going to be upgrading this $300 school laptop, play games smoothly and at high FPS. Now for the specs on this laptop. This is a Lenovo IdeaPad 3. This laptop has 4GB of RAM, an Intel Core i3 and an integrated graphics card. Now look, I have tested this laptop on my last video on games like Minecraft, Need for Speed Most Wanted and Roblox, and it barely averaged around 30. Hopefully after upgrading this laptop, we'll be able to play games like GTA 6. So yeah, let's go and upgrade this laptop. So yeah, for the first step, we're gonna be removing this cover and clean the laptop in the inside, and also seeing if we can upgrade this laptop. Now I don't have things to remove the cover and to I also don't have I don't have a screwdriver, so I'm just gonna be using this knife. And as you can see, the knife is locked in and I can unscrew. So I'm gonna have to unscrew all these screws with this knife. Alright, yeah, 6 minutes in, we're done unscrewing all the screws, and now it's time to find a way to open this laptop. I'm guessing I opened the laptop somewhere here. Let's hope I don't break this laptop. Okay, some way, somehow, I managed to open the laptop. Guys, this is crazy, bro. Guys, oh my gosh, bro, look at all this dust. Okay, but hey, let's get back to business, because the downside of this laptop is you cannot upgrade the RAM. I don't know about the battery, but everything else you cannot upgrade it, from the RAM to the GPU and stuff. This laptop is basically unupgradable. Let's just clean up everything here. Oh my gosh, bro, this thing is literally rusting.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, I forgot that the laptop is on. So I'm done cleaning, now putting this laptop back together. Okay guys, we are now done, and I just want to show you how dirty this laptop was. Bro, look at this, this thing is literally green. Yeah, but I'm gonna throw this away. Before I continue, I just want to thank you guys, because I just hit 100 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you. And so subscribing is pretty much appreciated by me. Alright, so right now I'm just going to the settings and trying to see if I can optimize some stuff. So right now we're in the graphics settings, and now I'm gonna put Need for Speed Most Wanted on high performance, and every other game we're gonna be testing. Now I'm going to the search bar and searching adjust. Then go to adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Then go to adjust for best performance. Okay guys, we are now in Minecraft, and unlike last time, we now have Optifine, which means we can now show the FPS in game. I'm gonna turn the frame rate to unlimited. 4 minutes later, we have now loaded into Minecraft, and we seem to be averaging around 22 to 26 FPS. Honestly, for the gameplay, it was noticeably less laggy than the other time we tested this laptop without optimizing it. Looking up, we are averaging around 39 to 31 FPS. Okay, now we're at 34. But one thing I'm gonna tell you is that it's smoother than last time we tested this laptop. Yeah, I'll say about maybe a 3 to 5 FPS difference. That's what I'm gonna tell you. Okay guys, for the first time I decided to test this laptop with shaders on, and for some reason it just turned out black. I don't know why, but I decided to go and test the next shader. Okay guys, I'm now in my next shader, and we're now in a mini screen, and look at the FPS we're getting. Yeah, we can't play in this, bro. Yeah, no matter how hard I tried to optimize this PC, it just couldn't handle shaders on. It literally felt like I was playing in a slideshow. Okay guys, that's enough of Minecraft for today. Now it's time for us to test our next game, Need for Speed Most Wanted 2012. Now here I decided to kick things up a notch by putting the settings on mid settings, and boy was it running smoothly. Just for comparison, before we optimized this laptop, just struggling run smoothly on all low settings. Honestly, I'm so surprised. I decided to increase the settings, and still it performed smoothly. This shows our optimizations are working. Hey guys, we're now in Roblox. We testing this laptop in this game called Rivals. No bro, my Wi-Fi is kind of trash, which means we cannot test Roblox. I'm gonna be testing this laptop on our last game, Green. Surprisingly, this laptop performed very well on Green, with the average FPS of around 30 FPS. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. The only question that is left is, do you think this laptop is gonna be able to play GTA 6? No. Like, all in all, I don't even recommend like buying this laptop. Like, you cannot upgrade it. The only thing you can do is like clean the vents or something. That's the only thing you can do. But like, you can upgrade the laptop, you can upgrade the RAM and stuff. The specs are kind of trash. Like, I don't even know why they call it a school laptop. Like, hey, that's the end of today's video. Thank you for helping me hit 100 subscribers, and let's see if we can do like 150 or something. That's the end of today's video, and like, yo, peace.